Here's a riddle. Smoking has been banned on planes for decades. So why do airplanes still have ashtrays? Let's dive into this surprising piece of aviation trivia. Believe it or not, smoking was once completely normal on airplanes. In the 1960s, lighting up a cigarette at 35,000 feet was as common as ordering a coffee. Whole sections of cabins were designated as smoking. Imagine turbulence with ashes flying everywhere. But over time, concerns grew, both for passenger health and fire safety. In the United States, the ban started small. In 1988, smoking was prohibited on short domestic flights. By the mid-1990s, it was banned on almost all flights. Today, smoking on commercial airlines is illegal worldwide. Airlines remind you before every flight, this is a non-smoking service. Here's the twist. Even though nobody's supposed to smoke, aviation rules require planes to have ashtrays. Why? Because sometimes people, break the rules. If you light up in the cabin or lavatory, you'll set off smoke detectors immediately. That can mean big trouble. Police waiting at the gate, fines of several $1,000s, and in some cases, even jail time. It's not just a rule, it's a serious safety risk. So why keep ashtrays around? Because safety planning in aviation always assumes, what if someone breaks the rule? If a passenger smokes, it's safer to give them a proper place to stub out the cigarette than risk them tossing it in the trash. Imagine a burning cigarette thrown into the lavatory bin full of paper towels. Instant fire hazard. Every now and then, stories make the news. A passenger caught smoking in the lavatory, fined thousands, and escorted off by police. Despite the bans, ashtrays are here to stay because they're actually part of international safety requirements like seat belts and fire extinguishers. So next time you see an ashtray on an airplane, don't think of it as an invitation to light up. Think of it as aviation safety logic, planning for the rule breaker. Smoking in the skies may be history, but those little ashtrays are here to stay. The sky has never been the limit, just the beginning. Subscribe for more short, beginner-friendly videos about aviation.